Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel A Monk in Cloud. In this video, I'm gonna specifically talk about the recent changes to the program AWS Community Builders. So as you might be aware that this AWS Community Builder program were accepting the application twice every year. But now what they have done is from January 2024, the application to join the AWS Community Builders program will launch, and it will be only application for the year. That means only if you are aiming to be a part of this particular program, just submit the application within January. And I think it will open soon. So they are shifting to a yearly intake cycle to align their application and renewal cycles. So this program is a technical community builders, and it is going to be about creating technical content on AWS services, and they are looking for people that have already established a track record of creating technical content that helps other builders. And personally, I got a notification that if you are aiming for this particular program and if you try to create a video on explaining a particular AWS service and release it before a month or two, that will not be considered, because there are a lot of community builders who are already established and they are already making good progress in this field. So if you are someone who is aiming for this, start preparing right from year one. Let's say you want to get in 2025, make some content, create good content on AWS in the year 2024 itself. If you want to learn more about this program, on how to get into this, what are the benefits you are going to get, I have created a separate video for that. But this was just an update on the AWS Community Builders program, because I was getting a lot of DMs on my LinkedIn profile asking, how can I get into the AWS Community Builders program? So this is an update. So please watch out for this website, and here is where you need to apply for it. So if you cannot remember the dates, what you can do is you can just add your name here, and once the application is starting, once they start the renewal cycle or the application cycle, you will get an email saying that the application is online and you can go ahead and fill in your details. So that's it I had for this video. If you're liking such content, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so that many students will get benefited out of it. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.